Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm up here in Peekskill, New York with the brand new Profoto B10 Plus. The B10 Plus is a lot like the B10, but it's 500 watt seconds now, so it's going to give you more power to work with, which can amount to a lot of different things. If you have to overpower things, use bigger modifiers, shoot faster because you can dial it down, so there's a lot of reasons to have more power. It's a little bit longer and about a pound heavier, which isn't a huge difference if you want that power. It uses the same battery and the same mount though, which is really nice. So if you're already a B10 user, you can kind of mix them together. If I'm not using cords and wires, I don't have to worry about knocking things over, asking them where I can plug things in. I can literally put it exactly in the right location. The B10 Plus has got Bluetooth in it, so you can use the app. It has the updated menu system, so it's nice and clean and easy to use. And one of the very cool things about it is it actually has what they call continuous light, that you can actually change the color temperature and adjust it pretty nicely. So you can use it to light yourself when you're talking, like a quick little interview or whatever, it'll work for that. You've got 500 watt seconds of power, you have the Profoto TTL, and you've got the kind of constant light source that you can use as well. Work your face towards the, there we go, nice. So when I first came into early electrics, one of the things that really caught my eye was this beautiful set of cabinets, and that kind of drew my eye into something I wanted to shoot in here. We've got warm light coming from over here, and I wanted to kind of make it feel like natural. So having a strobe with me to be able to bring it in and kind of shape the light the way I want it really helps. So I took the B10 Plus and I put it behind the corner over here, and I put a 1x3 strip on it. And I'm basically coming in to give her a nice clean light. It looked good, but it looked like kind of flat. So I took an A1 and I put it on the ground, and for that, I accented the little clown outfit. I left that one too with no filter or anything on it. It's daylight balance, just like the other one, just to kind of give that side of the frame kind of a neutral. And then I added another A1 on a stand, basically coming this way to give her a bit of a hair light. When you look at the photo, it doesn't immediately look lit. It looks like it could be realistic to what's in the space. The strobes are helping us kind of delicately add light in a way that's going to make it look natural, but still be more refined. Chin down a smidge, right there. Perfect, shoulders back. We've got all these chandeliers and stuff coming through. I went across the open area where the stairs are, put Marissa here where I'm standing basically. So I set my camera so that basically the daylight that you see in here was eliminated, and all we saw was the actual bulbs and stuff glowing from the fixtures, kept it a little bit dark. I took the B10 Plus, put it over here at an angle that's similar to like the chandelier here, and I kind of came in and lit her with it nice and even. The other thing I did at the end is I added an A1 with a CTO gel on it to give a little hair light. Overall, this is the main light, more or less a single light shot, really simple in here with the B10 Plus. Good, good. For this shot, I found this cool corner here, and I put a softbox. The B10 Plus is just fitted with the 2x3 kind of standard OCF softbox coming from the side. We wanted to go for kind of like a moody shot with lots of shadows, which I really like, but we want some detail on the dress. So I just took my A1, fitted with the CTO gel, and I just left it on the ground here, just kind of fill up, I'll just kiss a little light in there just to fill in those shadows. Overall, we were able to move around really great here and get the B10 exactly where we needed it, and the extra power of the B10 Plus really made a difference. I want to thank Profoto for letting me borrow the B10 Plus. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Adorama TV, guys, so you can always see new videos like this. Hit the bell so you know they pop up right away. And be sure to follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer. And I'll see you next time.